All right, before we dive into setting up your porn-free operating system, I need to give you a quick orientation, okay? This course works a little bit differently than most programs you've probably taken before, and understanding this up front will save you a lot of confusion later, okay? So this is gonna be short and practical, so stick with me here, all right? So as you're working through this How to Quit Porn course, you'll need an additional course right alongside of it called the Frontline Framework, which is kind of like the central hub course for everything that I teach, all right? And the Frontline Framework is your core operating system. It teaches you the tools, habits, and routines that will optimize your life. And this course that you're currently watching, How to Quit Porn, shows you how to apply the Frontline Framework specifically to quitting porn. So to be crystal clear, okay, you're in the How to Quit Porn course, this one, okay, it's going to teach you how to quit porn. And then the Frontline Framework, that's the hub course, and they're going to be working together. We're going to be moving back and forth between these two. Now you might be wondering, why set things up this way? Well, it's because most guys fail at quitting porn because they're putting their energy in the wrong place. Some guys spend 100% of their effort trying to remove porn. And that usually fails because it leaves them with the same life that they wanted to escape from in the first place, just without their main coping mechanism of porn to take the edge off. And then there's other guys who do the opposite. They try to only improve their life and hope that porn just disappears on its own. That doesn't work either, okay? And so the correct split looks like this. About 80% of the work is around improving your life. Okay, got to make a life we don't want to escape from. And this is what's going to be covered in the Frontline Framework course. Okay, but there's this critical 20% here where you do really need to focus on removing porn. And that's what this course is going to handle. When we've got those two pieces working together in harmony, things finally click and you'll be able to quit porn as smoothly and naturally as possible. So if you go through this process with me, then you will walk away with a clear method for conquering cravings in real time, a journaling process that conditions you to stay clean and improve your performance, and a simple yet powerful routine that brings more fulfillment to your life while pushing porn out, okay? And so here's the simplest way to use these two courses together. First, I recommend that you have 2 tabs and bookmarks, okay? So you kind of have one tab open for the Frontline Framework course, one for this one, and I would bookmark both of them. Next, you're going to use the How to Quit Porn lessons as your main structure, okay? That's the structure that you're going to follow. You're only going to pop over to the Frontline Framework course when this course tells you to. Then you're going to go watch that linked Frontline Framework prerequisite lesson, okay? You'll install the tool there by doing the exercises, and then you'll come back here and upgrade it specifically for using porn. At the top of each relevant video, I'll list any Frontline Framework prerequisites so you always know exactly what to watch next. And this is how we'll do our best to keep things as organized as possible. If you follow this structure, you will not be obsessing about porn all day, you won't be stuck in endless willpower battles, and you won't be trying to overhaul your entire life at once. Instead, you will be upgrading your life systematically while deliberately removing porn using one unified system. And even better, once you quit, you can use the Frontline Framework we've set up to go ahead and rocket ahead with whatever other goals you set your sights on, okay? Because this isn't just about how you hit 90 days porn-free. It's how you set up a truly satisfying lifestyle so that you can enjoy freedom from porn permanently. So, your next step, continue to watch the next video in this program, and I'll show you which Frontline Framework videos are prerequisites. So, let's get to it.